We have this really stubborn black stain in our toilet, and someone told me to try to use a pumice stone. Pumice is actually a volcanic rock. It's quite porous, a little bit soft. 5 inches by 8 makes this whole thing 13 inches, so it's not huge. It's squared. It's kind of interesting how this will work. It's really easy to hold. It's got a comfortable grip. But yeah, we're going to try this. You aren't supposed to use any chemicals. This black stain has not gotten off with baking soda, and it has not gotten off with a Clorox Lysol stuff you spray around the inside and let it sit and then scrub it off with a traditional bristle brush. It is supposed to be an all-natural solution, so you do not need to have any chemicals, which I really do like, not having to use that if we don't have to. And it does come in a pack of 3, so you can take off that gray pumice stone when it's done, and you have 2 additional ones that include in the package, which is really nice because you get a lot of bang for the buck. And it also says you can use this not just on toilets, but also bathtubs, tiles, sinks, grills, swimming pools. It actually worked. I can't believe it. That stain had been so stubborn. It's actually not dripping a lot of water either, which I like. So here up close, you can see that it did kind of eat away at the stone a little bit from where I was cleaning it, but not too much. I think it's going to last a while. I love that it's not dripping everywhere and making a huge mess. So I would say cons, is a little bit loud when you're scrubbing with it, but the pros are it's definitely a game changer. It got that hard water, black stain, whatever that was. I think it would be great on limescale and rust too. I love that it's an alternate for you don't have any chemicals, and it did leave it sparkling clean. So yay for that. So it seems like it's working without the hassle, not a big mess. Overall, I'd say if you're dealing with a hard water stain, limescale, rust, this seems like a natural thing that actually works where chemicals failed me. It's sparkling clean. It wasn't a lot of hassle. It was quite easy to use. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I can make more videos like this.